JSON at position 689394. Error in Discord typically indicates an issue with parsing corrupted or invalid JSON data. This could occur due to corrupted cache files, problematic messages, or issues within a specific Discord server or plugin. Steps to fix the error. 1. Clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache files are the most common cause of this issue. Windows. Close Discord completely. Ensure it's not running in the system tray. 2. Press WinR, type sent app data sent, and press enter. 3. Navigate to the Discord folder and delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. 4. Restart Discord. Mac. 1. Close Discord completely. 2. Open Finder, press Command-Shift-G and go to //library-application-support/discord/. 3. Delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. 4. Restart Discord. #2. Disable plugins and themes if using Better Discord. If you're using Better Discord or custom plugins themes, they might cause this error. 1. Navigate to the Better Discord settings within Discord. 2. Disable all plugins and themes temporarily. 3. Restart Discord and check if the issue persists. 4. If resolved, re-enable plugins themes one by one to identify the culprit. 3. Test in Discord Web. Using the web version of Discord can help bypass app-specific issues. 1. Open a browser and go to Discord Web, discord.com/app. 2. Log in with your credentials. 3. Check if the error occurs. 4. Reinstall Discord. If the issue persists, reinstalling Discord can resolve deeper file corruption. 1. Uninstall Discord from your system. 2. Go to Sent App Data Sent and set Local App Data Sent and delete any remaining Discord folders. 3. Download the latest version from the official Discord site, htdiscord.com/. 4. Reinstall and log in. 5. Debug server messages. If the error appears when accessing a specific server or channel, 1. Notify the server admin to check recent messages for malformed characters or broken JSON. 2. Consider muting the problematic channel temporarily. 6. Check your network. Poor or unstable internet connections can sometimes interrupt JSON data parsing. 1. Restart your router. 2. Switch to a more stable connection, such as a wired Ethernet connection. 3. Test Discord again. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a server-side problem. In such cases, report it to Discord support @support.discord.com. Let me know if you need further help.